Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the Samta Shiksha Niketan online classes. Today we are going to study our chapter number 5, our body. Students, our body is made up of cells, and cells are the smallest unit of our body. These cells join together and they make a tissue, and then tissues join together and they make an organ, and then few organs join together and they form an organ system. See, different organ system makes it possible that our body can perform different activities daily. Okay, and each organ system carries out main function of the body. External organs. External organs are the organs which we can see from outside, like eye, leg, arm, hand, ear, mouth, teeth, nose, foot, etc. They together make our external organ system. And internal organs. Internal organs like brain, heart, stomach, kidney, bladder, intestine, liver, lungs, thyroid. These are our internal organs which we cannot see from outside. See, different organ system have different work in our body. So we will see all the organ systems one by one. First, we will see the skeletal system. See, our body consists of 206 bones, and these 206 bones together form our skeletal system. Now, what is the function of bones? The bones give support and shape to our body, and they also protect our internal organs like our heart, lungs, kidney, etc. Now we will see the muscular system. See, all the muscles are the part of our muscular system. Our bones and different parts of our body can move with the help of muscles only. For example, muscles of our face help us to smile, talk, and from muscles of our legs help us to walk. Next is nervous system. See, the brain, the spinal cord and the nerves together make the nervous systems. See, all the functions in our body are controlled by the brain, and then the brain gives order to all parts of the body to do actions like see, hear, walking, learning, etc. It means that whatever the work we are doing, we get order from our brain for that. Okay. This message travels to the whole body and through the spinal cord and nerves, and the body parts then react according to that message. See, next is respiratory system. The nose, the windpipe and the lungs, they together make the respiratory systems. See, we need air to breathe, and the air which we breathe is rich in oxygen. We breathe through our nose, and then this air goes to the lungs through the windpipe. When the air enters to the lungs, our lungs expand and take the oxygen from the air. When we breathe out or exhale air, the lungs get back to their normal size. The exhaled air means the air which we release is rich in carbon dioxide. Next system is digestive system. See, the mouth, the food pipe, the stomach, small intestine, the large intestine and the anus, they together make the digestive system. See, our digestive system helps the food which we eat to change into its simple form, and our body absorbs the food in this simple form. This process is known as digestion. See, we eat through the mouth. After that, we chew the food in the mouth and it breaks down into smaller pieces by our teeth. And in our mouth, there is saliva which makes our food soft. Then the food passes through the food pipe to our stomach, where the food mixes with the digestive juices. After that, the food is sent into the small intestine, and the useful part of food or nutrients are taken up by blood and then sent to the whole body. And the food which is unused or waste, that goes to the large intestine and then it is thrown out of the body through the anus. Next is circulatory system. The heart, the blood and the blood vessels, they together form our circulatory system. See, we know that our heart works continuously. Our heart pumps blood to different parts of our body through the blood vessels like vein and arteries. Oxygen and nutrients absorbed are carried to the body through the blood, and the blood collects the waste from material from all the body parts. Next system is excretory system. See, because we eat food and take water, so a lot of waste material is produced in our body. So our excretory system helps to remove this waste from our bodies. Excretory system is made up of the kidneys, the lungs and the skin. See, we have a pair of kidneys in our body. Our kidneys help to clean the blood and they make urine. Then this urine is carried to the urinary bladder through ureter. The bladder stores the urine till it is passed out. When we breathe, the lungs help to remove carbon dioxide from our body and our skin removes waste in the form of sweat. Our next system is reproductive system. See, this organ system help all living beings to produce young ones of their own kind, and because of the reproductive system only the life continues on the earth. So students, now I hope that you understood all the organ system of our body. Thank you and have a nice day.